In this video, we'll explain how eToro works and everything you need to know before getting started with the platform. The first thing you should know is that eToro is an investment platform that gives you access to different markets from a single account, including stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. It also offers social investing features and tools for following and analyzing different assets. One of the first things you need to understand is stocks. With certain stock purchases made without leverage, you can invest in the underlying asset, although the exact conditions may vary depending on the product and the country. It's also very important to understand fees. eToro doesn't charge a fee to open an account, but there may be costs depending on the product and transaction. For example, certain stock transactions may include a fee when opening or closing a position, depending on your country and market. ETFs may have different fee conditions, so it's always important to check the current fee schedule before investing. Another important concept is the spread, which is the difference between the buying and selling price of an asset. It isn't necessarily a separate commission, but it can affect the price at which your transaction is executed. That's why you should always review the estimated costs shown before confirming an order. eToro also offers a free demo account with virtual funds, which allows you to practice and create a simulated portfolio before using real money. This can be a useful way to become familiar with the platform and understand how different features work. Another well-known feature is Copy Trader, which allows users to copy the trades of selected investors. The value of stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and other assets can rise or fall, so you should never invest money you can't afford to lose. As you can see, understanding how eToro works before getting started is essential, especially when it comes to knowing the available products, fees, and risks associated with each transaction. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.